The Quick Access Toolbar is a great place to put the tools you use frequently right at your fingertips. The Quick Access Toolbar is right here, the top left of your screen. The common ones are Save, Undo, Redo. If you have a tablet that has a touch screen, you'll have some options there as well. But the secret to the Quick Access Toolbar is this little drop-down arrow here, which allows you to customize it. A few that I recommend is Automatically Save is on, then a New Workbook, as well as Email, which attaches the current workbook to an email message and automatically puts it in your Outlook. Great, great time saver, as well as Print Preview and Print. So those are the ones that I typically keep on my Quick Access Toolbar, but let's say that there's some more that you'd like. Take your mouse and go all the way down to the More commands, and it brings up the Excel Options dialog box. We click on the Quick Access Toolbar tab, and you can see them all here. Once again, there's a drop down that you can choose from popular commands, commands not in the ribbon, all commands, or if you'd like to, go tab by tab. I like the Review tab. I typically use comments, and I like to navigate between the show and hide comments in a worksheet, so I'm going to add that. I do a lot of protecting my worksheets, so I'm going to add that as well. And you can see that they are automatically added to your Quick Access Toolbar. If you'd like to change the order of the items in your Quick Access Toolbar, say I want to put the auto save up there on top right next to the save, and I'd like to put the email before the touch mouse mode because I use that more often. And now I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that the Quick Access Toolbar has been adjusted to have all of the new tools that I want at my fingertips.